To install Spotify on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 is fairly simple. All you need to do is simply go ahead and open up the app screen and then navigate to the Google Play Store. From here, you then want to go ahead and use the search function and you want to search for Spotify. You can use the on-screen keyboard or you can simply use your voice to type it out. It's completely up to you. Spotify. And then once you do that and you've searched for that app, go ahead and select install. Wait for it to be downloaded onto your watch and once the app has been installed, you can tap on open to launch it, or you can just navigate back to the app screen, look for Spotify and select it. Now from here, you should be able to log into your account, which you should do from your phone. And once you do that, you can now be able to use Spotify on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 9. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and I'll see you in the next video.